Hello friends, Shushmita here and you are watching my study hacks 51. Today I am going to show you how to find sum of two given numbers in Python. So for that, click on File, New File, and now I am going to write comment and now the code begins. First we take a variable. Let's take a equals to int input. Now we give the prompted command for the user. Now first number is ready for input, and now the second number we take as b int input, another set of prompted command. Now we have got two numbers as a and b. Then we have to find the sum of a and b. For this we have to take another variable. Here I take s as a sum for holding a plus b. That's it. Now we have to print the sum of a and b. Now we save this command. Click on File, Save As. Then we run the command. It is prompted for the first number and second number. Then the output is 10. That's it. So I hope you understand the code, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.